no, especially to our back members, PWGs, secretariats. Since no interested bidders, no, submitted, no, for CID number 25 GG0057. Then also for a non-quorum for our back members. So I declared these activities, the opening of 25 GG 0057 be billed, no, due to no submission of biddings or interested bidders, then and non-quorum. So I declared failure. So thank you.
Okay, thank you.